Hello everybody. Today we will discuss a topic in mathematics. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So here we have to insert 5 numbers between 1 and 2. On the number line, we know we have 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This side we get negative numbers. So between 1 and 2, we have to insert 5 rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which are in the form of p by q, where q should not be equal to 0. Numbers which are in the form of p by q, denominator should not be equal to 0. Are there any numbers between 1 and 2? There are infinite numbers, set of numbers between 1 and 2. 1 and a half. 1 and a half, if you write in decimal form, how much do you get? 1 and a half. This is a improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. That is 1 by 2. If you convert it into improper fraction, we get it as 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2. This is a number which is there between 1 and 2. 1 and a half means exactly we'll get here. Okay, so 3 by 2 is a number which is there between 1 and 2. So here you can write 3 by 2 as an example. Or if I write 3 by 2, in between these two also I can find a number that is between 1 and 3 by 2. I can add them and then divide by 2. I will get one more number. I have to take the LCM, simplify it and find the fraction. So in this way we can find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. But I want to tell you a simple method how to write. This is one explanation. The other explanation is, you can write this explanation if you have the numbers between 1 and 2. If you take 1.1, 1.1 is here. Exactly in the middle we'll get 1.5. So we'll get 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So in this way we'll get 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. If you divide between 1 to 2, if you divide it into 10 equal parts, we get these numbers. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, all these are the numbers which are there between 1 and 2. But here we have to find the rational numbers. So how to write the rational numbers? 1.1 you can write it as, if I remove the decimal, I'll get 11. Only 1 point to the right. So 1 0 I have to put. This is 1 point to the right. So 1 0. So 1 point to the right. That is, I can write 14 by 10, 15 by 10. In this way I can write many more examples. 16 by 10, etc. So finally for this you can write the answer as, all this you can do it in your rough work, rough column. This is for your understanding. You can write the rational numbers between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2 are 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10, etc. Thank you. Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So between these two fractions, we have to insert 3 rational numbers. 3 fractions we have to include. So we can write, we have 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So if you observe here, the denominator is 5. Here the denominator is 3. Let us make the denominators equal. That is, here I have to multiply this by this 3. Multiply and divide by 3. And to this one, I have to multiply 5. Multiply and divide by 5. So here I am multiplying 3 by 5 by 3 and dividing by 3. And also I am multiplying this 2 by 3 into 5 by 5. So now if I will get here 3 3s are 9 by 15. 2 5s are 10 by 15. So this 3 by 5 and this 2 by 3 are converted into 9 by 15 and 10 by 15. So this 9 by 15 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 and 10 by 15 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. If I simplify it, I'll get back this one. If I simplify this, I will get back 2 by 3. So now we have to insert 3 rational numbers. So I can write 9 by 15 and 10 by 15. I can insert the numbers 9.1 by 15, 9.2 by 15, 9.3 by 15, 9.4 by 15, 9.5 by 15 and so on. Many more I can write. So all this is your rough explanation. So your final answer is the rational numbers between 3/5 and 2/3 are 9.1/15. I can write it as 91 by, if I remove, I'll get as 150, and then 92 by, I can write it as 150. I cannot write it as a decimal, so I am converting it into fraction form. 93 by 150, 94 by 150, 95 by 150, etc. Here we have to write only 5, so I am writing it. So these are not rational numbers, because in rational numbers P and Q should be integers. This is only for your rough understanding I am explaining here. This will be your final answer. This is your final answer. So in this way you can do it in your rough column, and then you can write this as your answer. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.